Alright team, Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with a Money Madness video after a long weekend, making money easy. Let's get it. Alright, welcome back team. With so much to offer at Traders War Room, whether you're looking for those real-time buy and sell alerts, those algo signals, or bell-to-bell live trading, we have something truly for everyone. So check out our platform, traderswarroom.com, for more information. Before we get started, let's check out some alerts that we had that were fire last week. Apple and Roblox definitely put some money in the bank account as we followed the downtrend on both of these tickers and made some nice profit. Airlines were struggling, and we were right there to scoop up some definite big money profits on UAL and DAL. Decent trades on both Amazon and Google, about $50 per contract before we went ahead and exited out. We still got some swing trades left open, but definitely looking to capitalize on the downward pressure continuing this week. And I always get hit up about some smaller account items. You guys cannot complain when we start to throw stuff at you like this, where we go in at 50 and we come out at 100, and we definitely get that 2x, baby. Charge point for the win. You want consistent hits like these? Just join Traders War Room and follow us on the Discord or the instant message platform. Get this fire. All right, let's get into the video. What's hot and what's not. All right, here's how your markets closed on Friday. Red across the board. Picture representation, the only sector that was positive at all was energy. Here's a picture of your ETF indexes. Sector performances, communication services were the biggest lagger, and energy, like we just said, was the top winner. Calls versus puts, about 50-50 with the big tickers. Tesla and SPY leading the way. Here's your dark pools, SPY, Qs, Triple M, definitely have the majority of the block in the dark pool sector. Here's your futures. We're actually looking pretty green, but remember, futures are just a glimpse into what could be, not what will be. We definitely have to play the market for what the market gives us when that bell rings. Here's your top 30 trending stocks, and we'll cover some of these in the stock and chart section here in a moment. Most volatile stocks from Friday's close. Most active stocks from Friday's close, seeing a lot of movement in the TWQ and the SQQQ, also the semiconductor ETF. Here's some unusual volume. Remember, unusual volume is something we like to pay attention to because things that are out of the norm could give us an indication of a dramatic push, either up or down, and so we love to ride the wave on some dramatic movements. Stocks that hit a 52-week high on the closing of Friday. And here's your 52-week lows. Upcoming earnings, anything in the green box has my attention moving into this week. All right, so top news story, CVS to buy Signify Health in $8 billion deal. So CVS Health Corp on Monday agreed to buy home healthcare services company Signify Health for about $8 billion in cash, a move that will enable one of the largest U.S. healthcare companies to provide further care management to patients in their home. So we're definitely paying attention to CVS, and also Bank of America and Goldman Sachs are the underwriters on this particular deal. So you got to pay attention to them as well. Next news, Ireland fines Instagram a record $400 million over children data. So Ireland's data privacy regulator has agreed to levy a record fine of 405 million euros against social network Instagram following an investigation into its handling of children data, a spokesperson said at Watchdog. Guys, remember, Instagram, parent company, Meta, that's the old Facebook. Definitely paying attention to them when the market bell rings. And a little bit of crypto news. So Binance to convert users' USDC into its own stablecoin. So Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, said Monday it's introducing a BUSD auto conversion, which will be used to convert any existing user balance and new deposits of USD coin, Pax Dollar, and True USD into its own stablecoin. So we're definitely paying attention. Might see a little bit of movement in the crypto sector, and we definitely like the ticker COIN as our overall ETF for the crypto world. All right, so enough news. Let's look at some charts. All right, so SPY, I'm still bearish on SPY. I think we have a little bit more downward trend. Now we might see some relief, but I do think ultimately we're broadening, and we're broadening to the downside. So I still see some downward trending on SPY and the broader market as a whole. Bullish on oil, guys, especially with OPEC going to cap off some supply issues. This is a supply and demand 101. It may not hit tomorrow, it may not hit the next day, but sooner than later, supply and demand, when the supply is cut, demand increases, the price goes up, guys. So definitely bullish on energy. CVS, I'm 50-50 on this. I do see a bull case, especially with a good merger, but anytime a company like this spends a lot of money out of pocket, especially cash, you might see a little bit of a jump because of the news, but once the news wears off, you'll see a little bit of a downward trend because they're going to spend a lot of money in some mergers and acquisitions and resource and development, stuff like that. So 50-50 on this, but if I had to bet, I would say we see the spike first to the upside and then the decline. Rumble, this is a YouTube alternative. I am bullish on this. I think we're at a potential place where we see rejection from the bottom and a nice little reversal to the upside. UPath, I like this one going into earnings. Now, earnings is always a gamble. However, I think they do fairly well, and I do like the forward potential of this particular ticker in this particular industry. I'm going to go ahead and go bearish with this one. This Academy Sports. I think that they hit a little level and we're back to a previous resistance point, and I think that we break to the downside and go retest some recent lows based off of the previous breakout point. Going strictly off the chart here, I'm going to go ahead and give this the bull. I don't know much about the company, but the TA would suggest that we're down at a previous support level and that we're likely to see a rejection from this area. This is one of those that I would like going into earnings, but would be leery to hold through earnings. And normally I'm a huge bull on Casey's, and I am a bull on it long term. However, I think we had too much too soon on Casey's, and I think we come back down for a little bit of a cool down. So I'm bearish on this particular ticker. That's it, team. Next, hot upcoming TWR products and services. If you don't want to check those out, then thank you guys for coming along with us in the journey. And remember, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, and destroy, and we're always going to war. If you want to see what we got coming up next, then just stay tuned and let's get it. TWR is huge on learning, and we have a saying, every battle needs a battle plan, and we will launch yours to... TWR is huge on learning, and we have a saying, every battle needs a battle plan, and we want you to build yours with Traders War Room. Check out our upcoming and historical classes. Any upcoming class, you book it on the website, you purchase it, you register for the class, and after it's completed, we send you the recorded copy. Any of our historical classes, you purchase it on the website, and you can view it from the website 24/7. Definitely check out what we have, because we got something for everybody, every style, every type of investor out there. Struggling in this volatile market to stay consistently profitable? Let Traders War Room help you out. Book a one-on-one mentoring session and allow us to assist you in developing those skills, gaining confidence, receive guidance, refining your strategies, gaining pro perspective, and exploring new plans of attack. Book your session today, traderswarroom.com. Too many dings and pings on your current platform? Guys, check out TWR Instant Message Alerts. Less noise, just alerts. It doesn't get much simpler than this. We got two channels. One channel is the alerts channel where all the fire trades come in, and the other one is an alerts lounge where you can just hang out, chit chat with other group members, or if you just want to get the alerts, that's fine and dandy too, but it doesn't get much simpler than this. So if you want a simple platform for those fire alerts, check out Traders War Room Instant Message Alerts. And we're still allowing people to register for the Formal Options Trading University course. This is a 6-week-long course. It's 2 classes per week. The registration is still open, so if you want more information, check out traderswarroom.com and definitely get spun up. All the classes are recorded. They're posted in the virtual classroom, and even if you missed the first week, which is mostly introductory and 2 trading option fundamentals, we still got 5 more weeks of all the fire and a huge in-depth analysis that goes along with taking you from good traders to elite traders. Check us out today and book your session. All in all, we want you to quit wasting that money that's not making money. We hope you join Traders War Room today. Links are in the bio, or you can check out traderswarroom.com, or take a snapshot of this right here. All of the most popular links are right here for you to go check out. We got the website, the Discord, the instant messaging, the one-on-one, and the university. Guys, we're coming out with everything, truly something for everyone, in every type of style, every type of budget. Check us out today, traderswarroom.com. All right, team, that is it. I want to say thank you from all the TWR staff and our official Battle Buddy Rocket. And we want to remind you, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sector, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, destroy, and we're always going to war. If that's something you get down with, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's go out there and make some money.